The Hermetic principle of cause and effect is based on the idea that every action has a corresponding reaction and that everything that happens in the physical world is the result of a cause that came before it. The principle asserts that nothing in the universe happens by chance and that every effect has a specific cause. In practical terms, this means that we can use the principle of cause and effect to create the outcomes we desire in our lives. Here are some ways we can apply this principle to benefit ourselves. Number 1. Take responsibility for our actions. Since every action has a corresponding reaction, it is important to take responsibility for our actions and the impact they have on our lives and the lives of others. By being mindful of the consequences of our actions, we can make more informed choices that lead to positive outcomes. Number 2, set clear intentions. By setting clear intentions for what we want to achieve, we can begin to take actions necessary to make those intentions a reality. This means being clear about what we want and taking proactive steps to make it happen. Step number 3, focus on the positive outcomes. By focusing on positive outcomes and visualizing success, we can begin to create the conditions necessary for those outcomes to manifest. This means focusing on what we want to achieve rather than what we don't want. Step number 4, cultivate positive habits. Since every action has a corresponding reaction, it's important to cultivate positive habits that lead to positive outcomes. This means making conscious choices about our behavior and taking proactive steps to create conditions necessary for success. Step 5, learn from our mistakes. Since every effect has a specific cause, it's important to learn from our mistakes and use the knowledge to make better choices in the future. This means being open to feedback and making adjustments to our behavior as needed. Overall, the principle of cause and effect reminds us that we are powerful creators of our own reality and that every action we take has the potential to create positive or negative outcomes. By being mindful of the impact of our actions and focusing on positive outcomes, we could create more fulfilling and rewarding lives for ourselves.